Alright guys, today we are taking a look at the Kizer Matanzas. This is a very slim EDC flipper, and it's from Kizer. So, you got a flipper on top, opens it up for an 8-inch total overall length, blade length of 3.44 inches of S35 VN steel. You can see the Matanzas Nick Swan logo on the back. It's a cool logo, by the way. It is a frame lock with a lock bar insert, so you're going to get a lot of mileage out of it. Handle length is 4.56 inches, and it is titanium on the outside and carbon fiber inlays that have been inlaid really nicely. There is well, you can't feel the seam between where the carbon fiber is and where it meets the titanium. It's very smooth, very nice. Overall weight is 3.85 inches. Here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. It has a pocket clip for tip upright carry only. So sorry all you lefties out there, but this one is right only. And guys, this is a beautiful knife. It actually comes in different blade style as well. It's got a recurve, kind of a Tonto, but it's recurve, and there's your two options there. And beautiful looking knife. Go ahead and buy it at bladehq.com. This is the Kizer Matanzas.